Hello and welcome to another Shane McRetro video. Today we are going to be having a very brief look at the PSIO, which I've had sitting around for a couple of months now, and I've just managed to find some time to pull out my PlayStations and try and work out which one will be the best. So to use PSIO with the PlayStation, I'm going to have to actually open PSIO. So here it is, PSIO, Cybdyn Systems on the front. Very nice. So this is technically an unboxing video. I apologise. Hi Mum. The Ultimate Development Cartridge. Let's go through the features with you. Loads software from an SD card up to 32 gigabytes. Easily selects software from a simple and functional menu system. Software images load instantly with no copy to memory routines. Oh, that's a bit of a 1-2 punch at the EverDrive. All firmwares are locally upgradable without any additional cables. That's good. I'm guessing it updates off the SD card. Simply press reset on the console to reselect a software image. That's handy. Supports hot swapping of SD cards within the menu system. So you could actually swap out, wow, okay, that's cool, yep. Supports multi-disc images, that's good for people who like, say, Final Fantasy, for example. Supports CDDA and XA audio channels. That is something I never got to play with in the prototype. Supports loading of software images via USB. Okay, so that comes across from your computer, I'm guessing. Supports bin, ISO, and IMG files. IMG. Bin, ISO, and image. Well, that's nice. That is nice. That's very nice. What's included? PSIO cartridge, switchboard, wire, and documents. Model number 95102211. Copyright, all rights reserved, PSIO.com with a hyphen, which it doesn't have on here. Okay, so it looks like this opens from the side top. There's a thing here. It must open like that. Okay, so we'll go from there. Oh yeah. Oops. Oh yeah. Ooga booga. So the box is cardboard. I thought it might have been plastic, but that is just wrap. There you go. Getting into it now. I've not actually seen one of these yet. It's amazing how busy life can get. Wow. The box is empty. There is nothing left in the box. I mean, there's air, but... What's that? Squiggly thing. So this is the PSIO itself. Doesn't stand up very well. Oh wait, there we go. Easy. Oh, no way. It's got a serial number, and it's got the number 69 in it. That's just too good to be true. 000169. So in there I've got a bit of Kynar wire. The switchboard, which basically tells something to do something. I think it's essentially what I remember when I was playing with the prototype. I had to solder some things, so it's probably just a much more refined version of that. That's quite nice. Yep. Quick start setup. Install the switchboard. Yep. Copy the menu system. Add your software images. Insert SD card, plug it in, press the power button. Single-sided for simplicity. I like it. Must find some time to do this. And here's the actual cartridge itself. So it looks like... So it's held together with screws, which isn't unheard of. It's got another serial number on the back here by the looks. This number's a bit longer though. 050715000206. So I don't quite know what that means. There is an LED here, square LED, which is yellow, as a homage to PlayStation's earlier, well, their dev cards and ISA boards from way back when. Mini USB on the side, SD card slot, and of course the interface to connect directly into your PlayStation. Let me just see if I can find it. You didn't see that? Ah, here we go. Here's a PlayStation right here. Now this is a 9002, so I'll just plug it into the Well, that's not going to work. Thanks 9002. However, something like a well, let's say, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a 1002. It's got the so I'm not entirely sure if this is the best model to be using PSIO with, but I need to work out what is the best. So let's just plug that in there. Let's see how that looks. Actually looks pretty good. That's a good job. You know it's powered by PSIO because it says PSIO. Ah. Hello, Ace Combat 2. What's that doing in there? Europe. Why would I have that in there? That's odd. I'm going to leave it in there. I'll work it out. So, there you have it. That's PSIO. Well, at least the unboxing of PSIO. Stay tuned. We'll have some video of PSIO in action. Probably running through a PVM, I suspect. So that'll be something to look forward to. And I've got to say, Cybdyn and Shadow, I want to say Shadow, his name may have changed since then, have done a marvellous job at this. Got to say, and it's really I've noticed the whole community is quite excited about this sort of stuff. I mean, I love it because it reduces our reliance, I suppose, on lasers and motors, which I am all for getting rid of. That said, I mean, everything fails eventually. The best we can do is prolong things as long as we can. And PSIO is a step in the right direction. So you can use... okay. Image file name mustn't exceed 60 characters. Just having a quick read over some of the other things that are on here. So that's something to take note of. Make sure menu.sys is in the root of your SD card. Ooh, make sure the parallel I/O port is not corroded, or you may have trouble with booting. Ah, the switchboard will apparently allow you to play original games. So there you go. So previously, when I played around with the prototype, I couldn't play anything on it because it was sort of bypassing the one of the chips on the main board. And it makes mention here of CDDA audio. My software images are not playing any audio. I don't hear any music or background audio. it advises me to please read the full system manual available on the PSIO website. So that's something that I'll have to look into as well. But there we go. That's the unboxing. I'm very happy to have that unboxed. So there you go. PSIO. Thank you to the creators. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.